Understanding Carpet Factory, English Language Learning. Hello everyone, welcome to our English Language Learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, carpet factory. This might seem like a straightforward term, but there's always something new to learn in English. Let's dive in. A carpet factory is a place where carpets and rugs are manufactured. It's an industrial setting where various types of carpets are designed, produced, and sometimes even shipped out to customers. In this section, we will discuss the history of carpet making, how modern carpet factories operate, the different types of carpets produced. Understanding a term like carpet factory also involves learning related vocabulary. Here, we'll cover words like loom, a device used to weave carpets, weft and warp, terms related to the weaving process, tufting, a modern method of carpet making. Now, let's see how to incorporate carpet factory into sentences. We'll construct simple and complex sentences to enhance your understanding and usage of the phrase. Examples will include descriptive sentences. The carpet factory near the river has been operating for over a century. Question format. Have you ever visited a carpet factory? Carpet factories hold cultural and historical importance in many regions. This section will explore the role of carpet factories in cultural heritage, famous carpet factories around the world and their unique designs. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a carpet factory is and how it fits into both the English language and cultural contexts. Remember, every word or phrase is an opportunity to expand your language skills. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.